You think disciplined people are built differently. You think they were born with something you lack. That belief quietly keeps you stuck. Discipline is not a personality trait. It is a skill, and skills can be learned. You were not born knowing how to walk. You learn through repetition. Discipline works the same way. Most people wait to feel ready. Disciplined people act without readiness. That difference is trained. Lack of discipline is not a flaw. It is untrained behavior. You do not fail because you are weak. You fail because your systems are weak. Personality explains preference. Discipline controls behavior. You can prefer comfort and still choose effort. Discipline is choosing once, then letting structure decide. The problem is not motivation. Motivation is unstable. The problem is reliance. Relying on feelings creates inconsistency. Disciplined people feel resistance too. They just do not negotiate with it. That response is practiced. Every habit is a vote. Every repetition teaches your brain. Your brain learns what you tolerate. It learns what you avoid. Avoidance feels protective, but it trains weakness. Small discomfort trains control. Discipline starts tiny, almost unnoticeable. One action done on schedule, regardless of mood. That is the rep. That is the skill. You do not need intensity. You need reliability. Intensity impresses. Reliability transforms. Most people overestimate willpower. They underestimate design. Environment beats intention. Every time, disciplined people remove friction. They reduce decisions. They do not ask how they feel. They ask what is scheduled. This is not rigidity. This is freedom from indecision. When decisions disappear, energy returns. Discipline conserves mental space. You think discipline limits you. It actually protects your focus. Chaos feels flexible, but it drains control. Structure feels boring, but it builds momentum. Momentum replaces effort. The first phase feels heavy, because the skill is weak. That heaviness is not failure. It is training load. Muscles shake when untrained. So does self-control. You do not quit lifting then, you adapt. Discipline adapts the same way. Consistency rewires response. Resistance becomes quieter. Not gone, just manageable. This is why discipline looks natural later. The skill has matured. You are not behind, you are early in training. Comparison hides process. No one sees the repetitions. They only see the result. Discipline is boring on purpose. Boredom removes drama. Drama fuels procrastination. Simplicity fuels execution. Clear rules beat vague goals. Decide in advance. Act without debate. Debate invites escape. You do not rise to desire. You fall to defaults. Design better defaults. Discipline is not self-punishment. It is self-respect in action. It says your future matters. Each kept promise builds trust, especially promises to yourself. Broken promises weaken authority. Kept ones restore it. Self-trust is leverage.